Hey folks! Welcome back to our culinary haven. Today, I've got an incredible recipe for you, vegan chocolate coconut trifle. A flavor explosion that will captivate every heart, whether you're vegan or not. This is a cruelty-free version of a dessert that has graced the tables of many people around the world for quite some time. Let's learn how to make it. So, here's what you'll need. To start, we'll prepare 2 irresistible creams. The first, a creamy chocolate delight. Gently mix coconut milk, cocoa powder, coconut sugar, and cornstarch in a saucepan. Meanwhile, our second coconut cream is in the works. A perfect complement to the intense flavor of chocolate. Coconut milk, shredded coconut, coconut sugar, and cornstarch transform into a divine mixture. Now, the assembly. Layers of vegan cookies dipped in plant-based milk, alternating with our chocolate cream and the luscious coconut cream. A burst of textures and flavors with every forkful. And, of course, we can't forget the finishing touches. Shredded coconut and vegan chocolate shavings for that special touch. To intensify the flavors even more, refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Now, just wait and savor this vegan chocolate coconut trifle. A dessert that proves vegan cooking can be as amazing and tasty as any other. Like this delicious recipe? Then, show your appreciation by hitting the like button, subscribing if you haven't already, and sharing this video with everyone who enjoys vegan desserts. Comment below and let us know how your trifle turned out. See you in the next recipe. Kisses!